Nigerians' environment is under increasing threat. From natural hazards such as drought, desertification, sand and dust storms combined with human activities. Over time, this has resulted to visible environmental scars associated with the destruction of the natural resources base upon which all life depends, directly or indirectly. Nigeria has a total land area of 923,786 square kilometers and currently has less than 10% of its total land area classified as forest. Land has been recognized as the most important resource necessary for subsistence, especially for the rural people, and most of Nigeria's arable land is being degraded gradually of its productive potential through overuse and inappropriate technology. Acknowledging that land degradation threatens the future sustainability of life on Earth with severe impact on food security, livelihood, biodiversity, and ecosystem services. Sustainable land management practices such as landscape restoration and agroforestry offers great opportunity to reduce and reverse land degradation as well as produce significant environment and social benefits. Nigeria has committed to achieving land degradation neutrality (LDN) by 2030 through the LDN Target Setting Program. This is expected to help the economy of the country and livelihood of the people through restoration of sustainable ecosystem services. Some of the specific targets to minimize and reverse land degradation include rehabilitation of over 1.7 million hectares of cropland, showing declining productivity and increased forest cover by 20%. One of the measures undertaken to reverse land degradation in Nigeria is Wuyo Afforestation project in Wuyo local government area, Borno State. This project involves restoration of degraded cropland, and presently 15 hectares of land have been put into restoration. Project sustainability remains a concern. Although 15 hectares of degraded land have been put into restoration, this is partly due to a very low level of awareness and communal ownership, as well as inadequate sensitization of policymakers. Recruited personnel for project maintainers abandon their duties due to lack of sustained payment of labor wages. Land restoration is more than an environmental issue. It's a lifeline for communities and a beacon of hope for our planet. Together, we can heal the land and secure a sustainable future.